Adobe has introduced Firefly, a new family of creative generative AI models that is initially focused on generating high-quality images and stunning text effects. Adobe is getting into the AI art game with its latest tool called Adobe Firefly. This new family of generative AI tools was unveiled in San Jose, California on March 21, 2023. Firefly Beta brings text-to-image generation to Photoshop and gives you the ability to apply new amazing styles to text in Illustrator, taking the AI image generation game to the next level. But what sets Firefly apart from others like DALL-E and Midjourney is that Adobe is more transparent about the data its AI models have been trained on. The first beta model has been trained on Adobe stock images, openly licensed content, and public domain content where the copyright has expired. This means it could be a more ethical alternative to rivals that have attracted class action lawsuits from artists who claim that some AI models are illegally based on copyrighted artworks. While it may be a while until we see Firefly's new AI models rolled out, early demos show that some fascinating, powerful tools are coming soon. Firefly takes the usability and creative potential of Adobe's apps to new heights, allowing you to simply describe an image, style, or text effect you're looking for. The first apps that will benefit from Firefly Beta are Photoshop, Illustrator, Express, and Experience Manager. But Adobe says this beta is just the first AI model in a family that is in the pipeline, with all of them likely to be integrated into Creative Cloud and Express workflows. Adobe is being careful with Firefly as they've opened up signups for beta testing to engage with the creative community and customers as it evolves this transformational technology. Though, signing up won't necessarily grant you access to the new tools. But the good news for amateurs is that Adobe will be asking creators of all skill levels to contribute. We haven't been able to use the Firefly beta yet, but we've seen it in action, as shown in this video. And if it works as well as the early demos show, it could have a huge impact on how Adobe's apps will work in the future. One cool thing about Firefly is its text-to-image user interface, which is similar to AI art generators like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Stable Diffusion. You can type in a request, like side profile face, an ocean double exposure portrait, and it'll produce an AI-generated example. Plus, you can apply different styles like photo, graphic, or art format, and tweak it with techniques, materials, and themes. And that's not all. Adobe is also introducing new AI text effects in Illustrator, where you can type in a prompt like "many fireflies in the night, bokeh light," and the AI generator will cook up a font to match. The possibilities for marketing, social media, and more are huge, especially for those with no digital art experience. Looking ahead, Illustrator will even be able to turn sketched fonts into digital reality, and Adobe Express will let you generate social media templates from simple prompts. Adobe Firefly is a significant development for those who use Adobe's creative apps like Photoshop and Illustrator. The AI-powered tool helps users describe anything from images to illustrations and videos and gives suggestions to help them create their vision. While similar AI art generators like Midjourney and Stable Diffusion are already available, Firefly is likely to offer existing Adobe customers with useful new tools rather than attracting new users. It remains to be seen how the company's attempts to make Firefly ethical by restricting its training data will impact its overall usefulness and versatility. It is really simple to become a Firefly beta tester. You can apply by clicking the Request Access button on this page and entering a few details about yourself, such as your name and email address. Although it is unclear how many users will be allowed beta access, Adobe intends to use the process to fine-tune its models before completely integrating them into applications. As of now, Adobe has not revealed how long the test period will last, but states that it will use the period to engage with the creative community and customers as it evolves this transformational technology. The speed of its full rollout will likely depend on how successful this beta testing period proves to be.